Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit. This double-in universal head unit for universal. Okay, you can check this front UI interface and this Tesla style screen. This is our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us. Okay, this is home button style double-in. Also, you can put it with it can adjust with up and down. This UI, and let me introduce. Okay, you can check it built in the date and time, and there are dual screen. You also can adjust this screen with Wi-Fi or settings. Okay. And this navigation built in the Google Maps and music. You can connect the USB cable on back of the head unit. Now we check the settings. About tablet, you can check the head unit. Its total RAM 6 GB and 128 GB. It's a high resolution. Okay. Net and work is built-in Wi-Fi, and you can connect the USB SIM card slot for mobile network. Display. You can choose a SIM with different sound genre. Original, reverse, voice, personal, and system. More settings about device Android system. Okay, and first let me introduce Bluetooth. Oh, it's here. This tuning for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, and steering wheel controls, radio. You can search the radio stations, connect the radio antenna on back of head unit. This Play Store, you can download applications from Play Store, music and EQ, DSP amplifier. Okay, and Bluetooth. Let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth. Connect Bluetooth and click search button to search the Bluetooth. Your phone will get the message. Please put 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click pair. It connected Bluetooth. Show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make a free phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call, and let me connect the USB. You can connect the USB cable on back of head unit. This Bluetooth. This supports the dual stream. Okay. You can set any navigation and other app. Okay. And check the Bluetooth. Let me check. Reconnect the USB on back. There are 3 USB cable. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me connect one of USB. Okay, this connector on back of head unit. Okay. Yeah, no. Strange thing is there. Let me try their USB on back. Let me check the music. Okay, this DSP amplifier. Soft, heavy, surround. You need to set it in the settings for video, okay? Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact to us. Our website belsee.com, blse.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.